Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Class 8, last time we were discussing the establishment of Muslim League, in which we have done the background of establishment of Muslim League and its objectives. Now today we are going to start the discussion of importance of establishment of Muslim League. Open your books on page number 29. Now, first of all, note down the question with it. From this paragraph, write down the importance of the establishment of Muslim League. Write down the importance of establishment of Muslim League. Now, we will start from here. The establishment of Muslim League is an important event in the history of the subcontinent. Now, we will do it in the form of points. Number 1. It was the starting point of the entry of Muslims in the political field. Now, when Muslim League was established, then you can say that it was the starting point of the entry of the Muslims in the political field. Secondly, number 2, Muslims began to participate in the politics of India under the banner of Muslim League. So Muslims started their participation in the politics of India. And how did they participate? As the participants of the Muslim League. Number 3, Muslim League led the Muslims and presented them honestly. Muslim League was playing very important role, and it led the Muslims and it presented them very honestly. Next point, Muslim League after the establishment rendered great services for the Muslims, as this was specifically the party, as it was specifically the representation of Muslims. So it rendered great services for Muslims. Next point, number 5, the British government accepted the right of separate electorate of the Muslims and included it in Minto-Morley reforms of 1909. In this way, the British government also accepted Muslims as a separate nation. Because the right of the separate electorate means the elections which was based on the religion, it was considered to be the right of separate electorate, that Muslims could cast the vote for the Muslims. So this right was accepted by the British government in the Minto-Morley reforms 1909. So this is how they also accepted the Muslims as a separate nation. When they got the right of the separate electorate, then they were accepted as a separate nation. Number 6. Now the government services were opened for Muslims, and Muslims began to join civil services. As you have seen that Muslims, they were dismissed from their jobs, they were dismissed from their army services. So again they got a platform, again the platform was opened for the Muslims, and they began to join the civil services. Now point number 7. One of the Muslim representation was included in the Executive Council of Viceroy. Then in the Executive Council of Viceroy, there was also one Muslim representation. Now the next point, the government approved the laws for the Muslims, Waqf, means there were the laws which were specifically for the Muslims. Muslims Waqf means these were specifically for the Muslims. Next point, Muslim began to improve their position in every field of life. Now the Muslims, they were strong enough to have their representation, to talk about their rights, got the right of separate electorate, and the doors of the jobs, they were opened for the Muslims, and there were laws for the Muslims Waqf. So they were getting the important position in every field of life. Muslim League on one hand guided Muslims politically, and on the other hand it engaged the opponents in negotiations. On one side they were you can say helpful, they guided the Muslim politically, but what happened, the opponents, the people who were the opponents, the people who were opposite to the Muslim League, they started their negotiations, they started their talks among them, that what's going on, why Muslims they are getting so stronger, why Muslims they are getting each and everything which they demanded from the government. Now what you have to do, you will write a question with it, write down the importance of the establishment of Muslim League, and with it you will write these points. Thank you girls, take care, and Allah Hafiz.